It has been described as the sleekest and most maneuverable of its kind. Reduced center of gravity ensures added stability for safer handling. The fully suspended operator's compartment reduces human vibration and provides an unobstructed 360-degree view. 5 driver programs with adjustable speed parameters. Unrivaled forward mast visibility for those tight applications. Finger-operated precise control, complete with directional display. This machine is built in a class all of its own. The ultimate forklift. Are you ready? Forklifts are heavy, fast, compact, maneuverable, and potentially lethal. The risk of death or injury is not limited to an operator in a tip-over, but shared with pedestrians either being struck by a forklift or the load it carries. Safe work environments where forklifts operate take the following very seriously: awareness and competency, knowing your workplace, a daily checklist, forklift stability, load and load handling, forklift awareness and operator competency. Forklift and pedestrian zones are separated for very obvious reasons. As a pedestrian, be alert, wear high visibility clothing, and always stay within marked walkways and barriered zones. As an operator, you must hold a current forklift license, be trained on and be familiar with your forklift. Get on and off a forklift carefully. Wear the seatbelt. Obey speed limits, floor markings, and all signage. Do not lift people on a fork or pallet. When you're finished, set the parking brake, lower the forks, and neutralize the controls. And as for skylarking, this is absolutely unacceptable. Know your workplace. Whether you are a pedestrian or an operator, it is vital you familiarize yourself with the area you will be working in. Take the time to walk around and assess the site for all things, including exclusion zones, storage racking, wet and dry areas, and loading docks. Daily checklist. If you're an operator, you need to know your forklift. Before starting your shift, check it is in good working order. If you notice any damage or problems, report it immediately. Forklift stability. Forklift tip-overs occur most often when traveling with forks raised, either with or without a load, turning too sharply, traveling across inclined or uneven ground, carrying a load forwards down a slope, carrying an unbalanced load, braking too hard. Load and load handling. Know your forklift's capacity relevant to the load center of the loads being shifted. Consider the weight, size, and shape of every load for best balance. The manufacturers provide the very best in technology and safety, but your safety and the safety of pedestrians is ultimately in your hands.